Look at the survey data for these 300 people. Adding 175 cricket fans, 150 football fans, and 25 who like neither gives 350. That 50-person discrepancy confirms an overlap, which is the exact group we must identify in question B. Let's define our sets: C for cricket, F for football, and U for the universal set. Totals are 300 for U, 175 for C, and 150 for F. The 25 who liked neither are written as the union's complement, marked by this superscript C. Mapping the word problem to these specific variables ensures every piece of data has a mathematical home before we begin drawing the diagram. To build our Venn diagram, we work from the inside out. Since the number of people who like both games is currently unknown, we label that central intersection as X. We also know that 25 people liked neither sport, so we place that number outside the circles but within the boundary of the survey population. Now we must account for the 175 people who liked cricket. If we label the entire circle as 175, we would be double counting the people already in our central intersection. We have to subtract that overlap. This leaves the isolated crescent on the left, representing only cricket, as 175 minus X. We apply that same logic to the football circle. The right crescent becomes 150 minus X. This structure ensures the Venn diagram functions as a map of perfectly distinct, non-overlapping regions that sum up to the survey total. Because these regions are now distinct, their sum must equal our total population. We can now form a master equation. 300 equals 175 minus X plus 150 minus X plus 25. As we simplify, the positive and negative X variables cancel each other out, and we combine our constants to get 300 equals 350 minus X. Solving for X gives us 50, which identifies the exact number of people who like both games. Now that we have this overlap value, pause the video and try to calculate the number of people who like exactly one game on your own. Calculating the central intersection provides the specific value needed to solve for every other remaining region in the problem. The phrase exactly one game excludes both the central overlap and the group outside the circles. We are looking only at the isolated crescents for cricket and football. Substituting 50 into our expressions, we find 125 people liked only cricket and 100 people liked only football. Adding these two groups together gives us our final answer of 225 people who like exactly one game. We can verify this by adding all four sections together: 125 plus 50 plus 100 plus 25. The sum is 300, matching our total surveyed population. This matches the final solutions provided in our source material, confirming our logic is sound. To test your understanding, if the survey found that everyone liked at least one game, which of our original numbers would become 0, and how would that change the central overlap?